Hello and welcome to this intro. Everything was going so great on this bike tour until it didn't. My GoPro stopped working and I got really sick. So here's what happened over the last 5 days or so. Enjoy, because there were certainly parts that I did not enjoy, although I did enjoy most of it, except for the sick parts. Day 48, I'm feeling great. The bike's ready to go. I'm ready to go. Let's go. There was another guy camping here last night with me. This is where he was. He's at the park now making breakfast. I'm still here packing up. I met Ryan at the park here actually. And he's heading west. I'm heading east. I'm actually meeting up with another guy in Weyburn perhaps. So in a couple days, he's also heading west. Another bike guy. That'll be fun. Day number 49.
Good morning, everybody. Today is day 50 of the Long Way Home Bicycle Tour. And this is not a campsite. This is a motel, and that is my breakfast. So what ended up happening was when I came into the town of, I can't pronounce it, but Assiniboia, I think. I came into town and I just really wasn't feeling very good. I think I got some food poisoning, something like that. So I hung out in the town and didn't end up feeling any better. I did actually end up camping out in the school field with another bike guy, but I didn't film much because I wasn't feeling very good. And so the next day I was still in the town, still not feeling good. So I decided to book a motel room to feel better. And so now, today is day 50. My stomach's feeling pretty good. I was feeling pretty bloated. Head's feeling pretty good. Man, I was sicker than a dog. It was crazy. But I'm ready to go again. Day number 50 of the Long Way Home Bicycle Tour.
I am currently in the Saskatchewan town of Ogema. Gonna be in Weyburn tomorrow. Gonna see my friend Marcel there. But also, they have a Best Buy Express, and I can get a new GoPro there. So I'm pretty stoked about that, because it just hasn't been the same without the GoPro. All right, I'm gonna grab some munchies somewhere, and then I'm gonna go back to my campsite and chill.
Day 51, just being quiet because everybody else is still sleeping because it's early. Camped out at the Ogama Regional Park. On my way to Weyburn today, where I can get a new GoPro. Finally.
Got a new GoPro, camping out in Weyburn with Marcel. What's up?
Hey Brian, nice to meet you.
Well, I haven't quite got the settings the way I want it. I'm just testing out the GoPro right now. But I'm back in business. I got a GoPro again. I started talking to Marcel a while back before even Canada. You left on Canada Day, right?
I did, July 1st.
July 1st.
Yeah.
And you're going east-west, I'm going west-east, and we met up here.
In Weyburn.
In Weyburn. And tonight's campsite is this place. All right, got a new GoPro and some orange fizzy. And here's Marcel. What's up?
Chocolate bars are gonna melt.
Hey, buddy. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Marcel is gone. That's where he was. And this is where I still am. Gonna take the tent down and meet Marcel at the McDonald's. And I'm kind of thirsty. I ate some more food last night, which is pretty typical. But I'm pretty thirsty. I could go for a juice. So let's go to McDonald's. Oh, is it like day 52, 53? I don't know. I'll double check. Day 50 something, or the long way home bicycle tour. Oh, there's Marcel's bike at the McDonald's. What's up?
Oh hey, I know you.
Me and Marcel are parting ways now. He's going west, I'm going east, and the journey continues.
Yeah.
It was nice to hang out with you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah, we'll do it again sometime in some other place.
Yes sir, see you again.
In the future. And there he goes, off on his own adventure. Trees! There's trees here! I missed you guys! It's been treeless for quite a while. Trees! Oh yes! Well, I think this is a good time to do an update. And one update is, add another one to the bird list. Truck going by. Add another one to the bird list. The Franklin's Gull. Why didn't I mention it before? Because this was a couple days ago. Well, the GoPro wasn't working. I think I was in the throes of food poisoning, but I'm back. I'm on the road 100%. And a Franklin's Gull. I got a Franklin's Gull. 6 more birds to go on the bird list. Ooh, big vehicle coming up. I keep seeing these signs. Watch out for moose. Does this look like moose habitat? Where are these moose coming from? Good morning and welcome to day number 53, double checked, of the Long Way Home Bicycle Tour. Here's the tent. I'm in a town called Stoughton, Saskatchewan. About halfway through the tour, I'd say about halfway through the tour. Oh man, thank God for that bathroom right there. Because I got sick again last night. It was not fun, but I'm feeling good today. So I think I'm going to pack up pretty soon and go to Subway. Good morning!